Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video, we have a pair of truly wireless headphones from Tiamat. So these are the Tiamat Titans. They feature a waterproof design that is IP67. They also have about 8 to 9 hours of battery life, and in addition to that, the case actually charges the headphones as well. So it has a battery in it that can charge the headphones. All for around $50 on Amazon, so check the link in the description to find that price. Let's go ahead and open them up and check them out. Begin by sliding this marketing sleeve off of the headphone box. And as you can see, you just open up the bottom, and this will just slide off like that. The box is made out of cardboard, and I like that because you can recycle it. So it looks like we have a little bit of marketing information on the top here. Thank you card, user guide, very small user's guide. So hopefully these are pretty simple to use. And then we have a case that has a very nice Tiamat logo on it. Very cool looking. It's a very protective case. We'll set that to the side. Not sure what's in this. See if anything else is in the box. Inside this little box, we have a micro USB to standard USB charging cable, a carabiner for the case, and that's it. So we'll go ahead and unzip this case right here. As you can see, the case does have a loop right here for the carabiner, so I'll go ahead and attach that. There we go. We'll open up this case to reveal the headphones. So this right here is a case that actually holds the truly wireless headphones right there. As you can see, it has a very cool carbon fiber design on the top and the bottom. The charging port is on the back with also a charging indicator. Very cool design. Everything seems very well built so far. Nice Titan logo on the front. So open this up and you can see the headphones right here. And they'll actually charge inside the case. So you see some little lights blinking right there, indicating that it is getting a charger. It might even be fully charged. It's a really cool Tiamat logo, and then indicators for left and right on the bottom here. This all has a kind of rubberized feeling to it, so it feels very high quality. So we'll remove the headphones here. Very cool looking. They're a very nice design. The LED light ring around this button right here is pretty cool. And then the entire earpiece kind of is rubberized just like the case. And then you have these little earbud fittings right here. So overall, pretty simple headphones. They do have the charging connectors on the back right here, and that's what you put into the case. See them right there in the case. So you just put the headphones in there, and then they'll start charging automatically. So I did miss one thing in this little box, kind of wedged at the bottom, were additional earpiece fittings. So they have different sizes. The headphones come with the small earbud fittings, but you have all the way up to large. So that's something to think about depending on the size of your ear canal. So each earpiece here has a little multifunctional button that is in the middle of this LED ring. And this multifunctional button is probably the most capable small button that I've seen on any earpiece. It can do just about everything from one button. So you can turn it on and off. Then if you double tap it, that'll change the volume. And if you triple tap it, that will actually change the song. So you can do just about anything with these. You can also answer calls. So if you're getting a call, it'll hang up the call or answer the call. And if you're listening to music, or if you're listening to audio such as music or podcast, you can also pause or play that with this right here. So very cool. They've made it very capable with only one button. So now we've taken a closer look at the Tiamat Titan truly wireless earbuds. We'll get them both turned on, paired with each other, and then paired with my cell phone. So the first thing we need to do is get the truly wireless earbuds here paired with each other. We do that by removing them both from the box, and then at the same time holding down the button for 3 seconds on each of them. So while I was doing that in my ear, I did hear that it was turning on and then that they were connected with each other. Now that we have them turned on, I'm going to get them paired to my cell phone real quick. They come up with my cell phone as the Tiamat Titan, and we're connected. As you can see, they came with 100% battery life. So as you can see here, they're connected, and then they're also paired with my phone. You get that little blinking white light every once in a while. It's pretty cool. They're in sync with that. So now I'm just going to test them out. All right, guys, so as you can see, I'm currently wearing the headphones right now. I really like this because they fit under my hat, almost invisible. No one would even know that I have headphones in. The only problem is the buttons are not sensitive. You can't use them through your hat, but they do look great. They feel great. They're very small, so there's no issues there at all. Actually, at this point of a headphone review, I do a microphone test, but I was unable to test the microphone unless I'm in a call. So it does not record audio through voice if you were recording video or using these on a stream or in a game or anything like that. I can't get the voice to be recorded, only in a call. When I did do phone call test, the audio from the mic was a little bit muffled and hard to hear, so I had to repeat myself several times, but I could hear the other person I was talking to very clearly, so no issues there. Overall, these headphones are very comfortable, they're lightweight, and I'm happy so far. So real quick, I have my recording lights turned off. I just wanted to give you a quick closer look at the LEDs that are displayed on these headphones. They kind of do a fading in, fading out. It looks really cool with the ringed LEDs, as you can see. Alright, so after having had a chance to test out the Tiamat Titans, I have to say, overall, I really like these headphones. The truly wireless capabilities work great, the audio is in sync, the buttons work awesome. The audio quality when listening to music or podcasts was okay. I found that they really lacked bass, so music that has more of a beat to it, such as hip-hop or things like that, it's probably going to be a little bit underwhelming. As I said earlier, the microphone on these is not too great, so when you're placing calls, it can be a little bit muffled. But overall, I think that the audio quality works well for truly wireless headphones that are waterproof. These would be pretty good for the gym, things like that. The capabilities with this multifunctional button are really cool. You can turn up the volume, change tracks, pause and play music, answer calls, all kinds of things like that with the one button. It uses the right and left to signify up and down volume as well as previous and next track. So really cool technology there. I've never seen anything like it. You do get this really nice case, but as I said, audio quality is a little bit low. One thing I did like about it is the battery life. 8 to 9 hours for truly wireless headphones is really good. Plus you get this really nice battery pack that charges through micro USB. It has a 100 milliamp hour power bank, so that's going to be able to charge these headphones a couple times. You get several hours out of them there. So overall, going into it knowing that these do not have the most bass, I would recommend these headphones for a price of around $50 on Amazon. If you have any questions about the Tiamat Titan truly wireless headphones, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you've already bought these and tried these out, leave your experience in a comment so you can help other people with their buying decisions. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link to the description below so you can find these exact headphones on Amazon. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Engaging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.